I'm Rao. I'm a founder and managing director of a startup in India. Um, I worked with Amar Infotech, Hitesh, Satya, and Soumya on some of our technology requirements, including a customer-facing app. They've done a fabulous job. They had the prior knowledge in this space and also came up with much needed suggestions as we were having our journey of building this app. Excellent business analysis, excellent market analysis, a lot of support technically, and also some suggestions on the business too. Business processes really helped us. So I really recommend Amar Infotech and this team especially for any of your company requirements, whether it is a startup or an established company. And these guys have great eye for detail and excellent technical knowledge. So I strongly recommend this company for any of your business needs, and I would definitely work with them again as our journey continues. Thank you.